Hey guys, so today I'm back with another plant baby and I'm so excited. This is one that my daughter bought me and I cannot wait to show you how cute this pot that I got for it is. Now, I'm going to be unboxing this with you. I'm holding it this way because my information is on that. So let me open this up and I'll be right back. Well, hold on. So just so you know, my interest has been totally piqued by air plants and just all types of plants, but air plants in general because they don't need soil. Now, if you guys remember, I opened up a the snake plant here and they gave me a air plant like this here. And I got this little mechanism that's sitting in from Dollar Tree because you can like hang it or suspend it in the air, which is really cool. Now with air plants, you don't need any soil, so that's why I like it. Now, I had two. Now there's another plant baby that I will be unboxing. I don't know if you see this video before, after that, probably after. But here's the thing that was so weird. Some people say they submerge them in water and then they only do that like once a week or once every 2 weeks or something. I guess it depends. Well, I did a video on how to water the air plant and I don't think when they're this little, submerging them in water is a great idea because they're so thin and I think it's too much water for them because that one didn't last. But lo and behold, they blessed me with another one. And what I've been doing is I got the misting bottles, and with the misting bottle, I just take it out, put it in my hand, and I mist all around it and leave it alone. And I do that every day, and this thing has been thriving. It's actually growing and looking amazing. So that is that. And I'll probably do a video on how I water it. I'll probably do that later because it's already been watered today. But let's get into this box right here. I'm so excited. So freaking excited. This, if I can remember when I edit this video to put the name in it, I will. This was $13 and I seen this when I was looking at other plants and I said, I gotta have it. Oh my gosh, let's see if I'm lucky and I got a really gorgeous one like a lot of people get. Okay, it's not bad, it's not bad. This one is a little flip back. But this is an air plant. And like I said, guys, you do not need to have soil and you just mist them and they just continue to get bigger and bigger and grow. Now, I bought this pot and I hope that it does what I want it to do because I seen somebody else on Amazon do it. And I said, oh my gosh, that is so cute. Tell me this pot isn't cute. They came in white, red, and yellow. And I said I wanted to get the black one. And what you do is you put your air plant on it, or you could do succulents as well. And it looks like it's mimicking the hair or hairstyle. Because like I said, you don't need any water for an air plant. So this is my new air plant. And you just take it and you pull it off and you water it. So yeah, I'm excited. And I definitely think this is a great gift for somebody who doesn't have a green thumb or is trying to build their green thumb. Look at that. Like, isn't that so cute? It looks like her hair, right? Like, oh my gosh. So I'm excited. I'm excited to see how this baby grows and getting to know it and understanding how to care for them is my mission. So this is what it looks like at the bottom. It's so amazing how God makes things. Like this literally needs no soil. Like you could just sit it right here. As long as you water it and keep it misted, it should be fine. So I'm gonna start off with misting it because I know for sure that that won't be too much water for it because I'm doing the little one like that. And we're gonna just go from there. And I don't know where I want to put her. I don't know if I want to put her in here or if I want to put her, I wanted to cover her eyes so she could look like she's, yeah, I might just leave her here. I don't know. She's so cute. I think she needs to be seen like downstairs somewhere. But I think this is the perfect size. Isn't that too cute? This probably, I'm gonna probably make this a thumbnail somehow. But yeah, she's like holding her little face and yeah. So that's my new air plant baby. And like I said, I will probably leave it in the description if I forget to edit it in the video what the name of this is. And as I learn more about how to care for it, I will be coming with videos with that as well. This was $13.99 from Amazon. So for somebody, like I said, who doesn't have a green thumb, I think this is going to be amazing plant baby to start with. And yeah, so let's see how she grows. I think that is so freaking cute. I think I'm gonna get a white one as well. But yeah, I think she is just so cute. And she's sitting next to my snake plant. So I'm excited. Oh my gosh, look at her. Yeah, so that's the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this plant baby unboxing. They didn't give anything else. It was just wrapped in this little piece of paper and that's it. They just get straight to the point, right? So yeah, that's my new plant baby and I love her already. And I will be seeing you guys in another video. And if you have any questions or concerns or anything you want me to do on this channel or see me do on this channel, please leave it below. And also, if you want to reach out to me, you can always email me at you can still email me at the CPRVibe@gmail.com. I am so tongue tied. I'm tired. It's my relaxation day. I shouldn't even be doing this video, but I had to unbox it and I wanted to do it live. Well, not live, but do it on the camera instead of opening and then showing it to you. So yeah, I'm excited. So tell me what you think about this. Is this cute or not? Like, I think it is too freaking cute. So, and this was $11.99. Yeah, this was $11.99 and the plant was $13.99. Naya bought this plant and I bought this pot for it. So yeah. All right, guys, talk to you later, Gator.